Replacement attachment for cat. Number 56511, the 7-piece fish rod attachment set, and cat. Number 56400, the 33-foot fish and glow rod kit. Fits all Klein Tools fish and glow rods. Single hook easily grabs and retrieves wire or cable, and bullet nose allows easy pulling with the line attachment hole. Both attached to the end of the whisk accessory, cat. Number 6513. Made in USA. Durable stainless steel construction. 7-piece attachment set, cat. Number 56511, includes a hard plastic carrying case. Top reviews from the United States. Great replacements. I borrowed a wire puller tool from a friend. Like an idiot, I lost the hook in my attic, as I didn't see it in the package. Have no fear though, there were replacements available online. I ordered the replacements and they fit like a charm. I told him that I lost his originals. Even though he said he didn't use them, I couldn't bear not replacing something that I lost or broke from someone that I borrowed. They seemed just fine. I would recommend these as a replacement or to have extras on hand for your Klein Wire Fish Rod.